Hello everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 6.1 of integers chapter. Question number 7 is you have to write all the integers between -4 and 4 and you have to write all these in increasing order. So first I have to write how many integers are there between -4 and 4. First you have to write the integers. So as you can see on the number line, I have marked 0 in between and positive numbers are on the right and negative numbers are on the left. So you can see how many integers are between -4 and 4. I will not include -4 and 4. So what would be the answer? Answer would be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it would be the answer. And question is you have to write in increasing order. Is it in increasing order? All of you know about their order. Here you write negative integers in decreasing order and these are in increasing order. Positive integers I am writing in increasing order. So I have to arrange in increasing order. If I am talking about these 4 integers, actually 0 is not positive or negative integers. I am talking about 1, 2 and 3. These are in increasing order. So I will write 1, 2 and 3. Increasing order. What about these? -3, -2, -1. Which one is the smallest one? Out of these, which one is the smallest? As these are in decreasing order, means -1 is the greatest integers in negative. So out of these -3, -2, -1, -1 is the greatest. So I will write -3 as smallest, then -2 and -1. These are in increasing order. After that 0 will come and after that I will write 1, 2 and 3 because positive integers are already in increasing order. I have to arrange in increasing order, so answer would be like this. Be careful, in negative integers -1 would be the greatest integers. So be careful while arranging in increasing or decreasing order. Next question is write 4 negative integers which are greater than -20. Again I am talking about negative integers. In negative integers you have to write greater than -20. So answer would be -16, -19, any 4 numbers you can write, -14, -12. These are 4 negative integers which are greater than -20. I am writing all negative integers. I am not talking about positive one because question is you have to write 4 negative integers. So I have written any 4 integers, negative integers which are greater than -20. You can write any 4. Now question number 5 of this exercise is following the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. First place is given Siachen, that is 10 degrees C below 0 degrees C. Shimla having temperature 2 degrees C below 0 degrees C. Ahmedabad 30 degrees C above 0 degrees C. Delhi 20 degrees C above 0 degrees C. Srinagar 5 degrees C below 0 degrees C. So first part of this question is you have to write that these temperatures in the form of integers in the blank space. We have given you the temperature in words, you have to convert them into integers. As I told you in the first video, whenever you have word below or above, which sign you will use? We will always take 0 degrees C as reference line, baseline. So 10 degrees C below 0 degrees C means I am talking about negative integers. So here I will write this temperature would be minus 10 degree C. Shimla having temperature 2 degree C below 0 degree C. So it would be minus 2 degree C. Below 0 I am talking about. Here 30 degree C above 0. Above means plus. So I will write plus 30 degree C. Next is 20 degree C above. I will write plus 20 degree C. Srinagar having temperature 5 degree C below 0. Below means negative. Minus 5 degree C. So it is a part of the question that you have to fill all the blanks in integer form. Next part of the question is you have to indicate these temperature on number line. Number line is in the book. You have to just mark the point of these temperatures and write there which place is this. C part of the question is which is the coolest place. When you will write coolest place, you have to just think about temperature, the places where temperature is below 0 degree. So I will consider minus 10, minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2 and minus 5. Because these are positive one, of course positive numbers are always greater than negative integers. So I will ignore these two. So which one is the coolest? Now compare these negative integers. All of you know minus 2 is the greatest. Then minus 5 will come. Then minus 10 will come. When you will draw the number line, you will say minus 10 will come at the end. First minus 2 will come, in between minus 3, minus 4, then minus 5. In between more integers will come, at the end you will get minus 10. So it is in decreasing order. Minus 2 is the greatest and minus 10 is the smallest, least out of these. So which one is the coolest place? Minus 10 degree C is the smallest. So it would be the coolest place. Minus 10 degree C is with Siachen. So which one is the coolest place? Siachen. Next is you have to name the cities where temperatures are above 0 degree C. Above means plus 10 degree C. Now we are talking about plus 10 degree C. See this. Name the cities having temperature greater than 10 degree C. Yes, Ahmedabad and Delhi. So answer would be Delhi and Ahmedabad having temperature greater than 10 degree C.